All right, welcome back everybody. My name's Mason Walker. I'm your host here at Massey Hyundai, and today we'll be learning how to use our remote smart parking assist. All right guys, so first things first, your buttons for your remote smart parking assist are on your key fob. This one's for going forward, this one's for going back. If you're ever caught up in a situation like this where people are parked just a little too close to you, this will help you out of a sticky situation. All right guys, so to start our vehicle, we need to hit this lock button twice and then hold this remote start button down here. All right guys, so now our vehicle is started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull it forward. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this button on the remote for forward. And now it would get seamless entry into my vehicle.